This tutorial will show you how to painlessly repair a torn nail. For this repair, you will need nail glue. Any nail glue will work, however, brush-on nail glue is best so you can easily control the placement. An empty tea bag, a pair of scissors so you can trim the tea bag, a nail file block or even just a nail file, nail polish remover and cotton balls. We will begin by removing any nail polish that is on the torn nail. This process is going to be tricky since the nail glue will dry quickly, so make sure to have everything directly beside you and the cap off of the nail glue. I also have a toothpick handy so that I can press the tea bag onto the nail so that I can avoid getting glue on my fingers. Now we will cut a strip from the empty tea bag so we can easily shape the tea bag material into the shape of the torn nail. Let's brush the nail glue onto the nail and quickly grab the tea bag shape that we cut out. Apply it on top of the glue. Use the toothpick to press the tea bag on the nail, making sure to concentrate on the torn area. Now we will brush on another top of nail glue over the tea bag. This coat will take several minutes to dry the tea bag completely. Once what I like to call the nail cast is dry, we can then use the nail file to smooth the glue out so this looks more like a natural nail. To see what this nail looks like once it has been painted, check out my video for the black matte glitter star design.